Okay guys, so now we're gonna start, and the next one is gonna be the Lancer. I'm just playing a little bit. Okay, now what this one is the same weight, you know, clips around. Okay, just there. So I don't want to just overheat my glass, so that's why I don't have my glass outside. It's already primed, but I don't want to just get it out because it's gonna just be overheat, so I don't want to just do that. Okay, that's the only you have to get, and it's got a couple of clips right here. You see it? So the one you get cut them off to the middle, right there. One more, okay, and two more probably here. Okay, and that's it. All right, now these corners, gotta take them up, but you can pull it like this. All right, gotta get the plastic this. Now on this one we have to save the bottom, the molding, because the aftermarket doesn't have it. So I'm gonna get it right there. That's the corner. Okay, so this one is the same like the Mercedes. We'll take another clip right here. Now you see, now it's coming more clear, so I think the rain is gone. Chance to rain is not coming today. Okay, now you see here. Let me take that one right there. Okay. And this one we have to save. This one I have to reuse it. It's easy to remove, so don't bend it. Just take them off slowly, like that. Okay, because I have to reuse this one. There you go. Okay, so this one has to be reused. It's aftermarket, it's not coming with that molding. And now this one, you can replace this one for aftermarket molding, or you want to save it, I will show you how to do it. You can reuse it. I mean, it's just that mold is really easy to damage, but can be safe. Then all you have to do, you're gonna cut with the cut knife between the molding and the glass, so we can go on this way. Alright, so I'm going to start from the bottom right there. I can just pull a little piece right here, right there. See that one? That's the only far you can go. So you pull the top now is going to expand and be like this big. So that's why I have to go just right there. Now this one, the same way. Don't pull too much, just a little bit, because if not you're going to bend the molding and it's going to look really bad. So right there. And now here, the all that you have to do is insert this one right there, up from the bottom, any place you want, just about right there. Okay, and when you come to the corner, just open the molding, change the sides right there, and just make your turn with no damage the molding, and cut between the molding and the glass. So that's gonna save you molding, and it's cutting between the molding and the glass, and you're gonna save that molding. Do the same way here. That noise is because you pass the clips. Just open this corner a little bit. Careful here. the way you can save your molding. There you go. Okay, and now just careful when you close the doors. I'm gonna use I think I'm gonna use wire probably. Oh, you know why? Maybe I'm gonna use my blade, the long blade. The wire is gonna be a little more slowly, so I'm just gonna go fast today because I gotta do another one. So the transit, just to think about it, and that one is gonna make me feel mad because it's really bad. Just right there. Okay. And just remember, cut the corner first, the bottom, right there. And you're gonna do the same like the extractor does. It's just like, you know, like this. Okay, and you got the windshield cut off. You want to hit just like this, a little bit, and cut your corner. Alright. So that can be the more faster way to release that windshield. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean. You know, it's no damage. Even the open cell foam is in good condition, it's intact. So this one is coming loose. I gotta just cut the edge because if I pull it, it's gonna be more longer. It's gonna be probably right here. Okay, so I'm gonna just clean, primer. I got my windshield already. It's ready. It's already primed. So I have to just put the molding on and set the glue, and we're finished. Okay, boys, so we finished now. 6 minutes, primer already dry. So you see already touched some scratches, not much, so just a little bit. So I reinstalled the old molding. You can see it. So it's very nice. It's not damaged and it's very perfect just to finish the job. I will use the bottom molding, remember. Now I already put my mark. I can just put the glue here, or you want to make it in two parts. You can go like this. You are not sure where the primer goes. I know because I got the little dots and marks, and I can use my fingers using the old glass. So, but you don't know. You can just go like this 2 times. One right here at the body. I mean at the glass. Okay, just right there. It's finished on that part. And now you're gonna start. Remember, we start from this little corner. And you see how much glue is and how much the other guys did. You know, it's a lot for the other one. So it's just you gotta imitate the V was before on the car. So I'm gonna start right here. And just right there at the corner. A little bit blue, but that's just a little amount. And remember, we're gonna just, in this case, remember this one is gonna just, and 2 corners are gonna just, you know, go together. So that's the same thing when the other guys all the time start making bridge, like start here finish here. They start here and finish here. It's the same way. The only thing is just 2 parts. They're gonna do that. Okay, so we're gonna just ready. Oh. Remember, just the bottom. See my bin number here. Put that in. Go the corner first, the second corner, and ready. Bin number is right. You see, first touch. I can just let the glass go, and nothing is gonna happen. My glass is not moving, it's not falling, and I don't have to use any tape. So you guys have to trust in your job and the glue. You see, I don't use any tape. So I don't know why all the time the guys use, well, I know because they use a 418, so that's why. Push the molding in the channel a little bit. Alright, put them up, right there. Okay, that one right there. There you go. Okay, so bin number right there. So now it's time to push it down a little bit, not too much. Remember, when you pushing down, it's like you just squeeze the glue in one direction like this. Because you go too much, you can just crack the window. Okay. Okay. Now, up a little bit. Put your molding on the channel, make it flat. Go down if you need. Just push in a little bit. Alright, as you see, my molding is really straight. I'm notching the pitch wheel. Okay, so it's time to put all parts together. Remember, we're going to lubricate the molding here. So the good thing is this one has been already in the same place for the other molding I saved it. So just go like this. Those little things, corners has to go right there under. We're gonna catch the corner first. Okay. Now remember, I told you before, don't push in that direction. Go like this. Okay, like that way. Okay, because you go straight, you're gonna crack the window. That's the first issue on aftermarket windows with this molding. So you just gotta go like this, and remember, you gotta up a little bit like this, and find the channel first, right there. Just gotta feel that. Okay. Going on this way first. Okay. Sometimes it's a little more harder. Gonna continue pushing in. Like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay. That's why my finger is now coming on this way, because I always pushing in that direction. And I have to stop because now I have a lot of pain in my finger. There. There you go. There's a little bit of heat. See it? Not too much. There you go. Right there. Okay. Seeing already? Just notch that right there. And here, so now on this part you don't have access to heat, so what you gotta do is just hit this one. Okay, so go like, you see it? So it's just, you cannot hit this area because it's very small, so you're gonna just hit it, and you're gonna break the window. So you gotta up this one and just hit, and the more stronger edge of the molding is like that. Okay, so now just gonna put our clips. If it's too much on this way, you can see the hole, just move it to the right position. One more clip right there. Right. Okay, right there. So a difference with another wiper's arms, you see this one has to touch, almost touch this one and this one, but it's little more than 3 fingers in the middle. And this one has to go like this way, but that's the model design on these Mitsubishi Lancers. I thought I already pushed this one in. There you go. There you go. Now remember, for all clips, I take these wraps. I tied this one already. On my corners, this one you can just lubricate the corners a little bit. Sometimes they're too dry. Now when I put this, when I push my molding out, you have to do is pushing in these directions, you see it? Something easy. Okay? And with my corner, right there, my corner is gonna put the molding inside. So, right there, you see? Pushing the molding inside the glass. So that's why the molding is come out, because he needs something to push in a channel, and it's this little thing, molding. Okay? This one is good. Alright, pushing the molding inside. Let's put that one inside there. Help a little bit the molding. There we go. And it's ready. Okay guys, so I finished this part. I don't want to finish this one because my next one is the transit. That's why I don't want to finish this, because I know I'm gonna just be suffering in that car. But maybe not. You're gonna find out how much glue they put and how much, if they use primer, maybe not use any primer. You know, clean those little irritant. Probably my gloves have some irritant. You see, right here. All right. The last part might be the mirror. Okay, all right guys, so finish this one. Now let's go